the best thing is you get the bag at the price from like a year ago, because even though it is a classic model, it qualifies as a seasonal piece because it's a classic bag in a seasonal color, you know, if that makes sense. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today, yes, we have an unboxing to do and I'm really excited. I still can't believe that I actually found this bag in a boutique and I didn't have to look for it on the pre-loved market. So we get into that because I feel like I have some really good advice for you that we all, you know, can use for things we're looking for. But yeah, we get into that. So first of all, if you have watched my last shopping vlog, you might already know, you know, what I got. But if you haven't, please go and check it out. Yeah, let's get right into the advice. I cannot believe that I never thought about it, or, you know, that I wasn't aware of it. So I think it might help a lot of you guys actually. So first of all, if you're looking for a bag, let's say a classic flap, but it's a seasonal color. Like the best examples are the unicorn bags, for example. You guys know my beautiful rainbow reissue, right? The reissue is a classic bag, however, in this rainbow color is a seasonal bag. And for any kind of, you know, seasonal pieces, even though it's a classic style, so a classic flap, a Gabrielle, a boy bag, a Coco Handle, a Chanel 19, you know, of course you have the classics which come in the black and in the beige clear, but also every season we get seasonal colors, right? And if you're looking for a specific bag from, let's say, a year ago, because guys, I have to tell you, this bag, whoop, this is the receipt that's falling out there, let me put this away. This bag I wanted to buy last year, a year ago, but at the time, if you remember, I bought my beautiful rainbow reissue and the Chanel CC tote, the vintage reissued Chanel CC tote. And so I could not buy a third one right there and then because it was from the same collection. Actually from 20A, I believe, Chanel 20A, yes. So yes, I did not get the bag at the time, and I thought, you know, okay, my chance has passed. Basically, you know, I won't get it anymore. Maybe at one point on the pre-loved market. But then in my shopping vlog from last week, I actually went to Harrods and I saw the Chanel Wallet on Chain reissue in exactly this color that I was always hoping to get this bag in, you know. It's a specific color, it's a specific leather from 2028, you know, and I was just asking them, hey, do you maybe have this specific bag still in this color, in this leather? And she was saying, yeah, I can check the system. And actually what happens when we get seasonal pieces every 2-3 months, right? So they put them on display and, you know, once the next season comes in and they actually still have some bags left, they just put them in the warehouse, they put them in, you know, storage basically. And if you're lucky enough and they still have the bag you're looking for, they will tell you, of course. It's, for example, this one was in Walton Street, so they were storing it in the Chanel boutique in Walton Street. And the best thing is you get the bag at the price from like a year ago, because even though it is a classic model, it qualifies as a seasonal piece because it's a classic bag in a seasonal color, you know, if that makes sense. So classic bags in seasonal colors are not part of the annual price increases that we see. So if you are still looking for a bag right now from, like, let's say a year ago, from 2 years ago, and they might actually still locate that bag in a boutique somewhere, you get it at the price from like a year, 2 years ago. What? I was like, that is incredible. Not only did I locate that last piece in London, but also I got it at the price from like a year ago. What? So, you know, I couldn't be happier. I hope that this little story time helps you find your dream bags as well for a really good price. But I would say let's start this unboxing. Okay, are we ready? I wanted this bag since the moment I saw it, and to be honest, for example, with my Gabrielle bag, you know, sometimes I see a piece and I think, wow, this is the most beautiful version of this bag. And I, you know, don't buy it at the time, but then you see more and more other models, other colors coming out, and I'm always going back to that one piece. And I'm like, oh, I wish I would have bought that. So I bought my Gabrielle from Fashion Five. Because like if a year or 2 years pass by and you still think about that one bag, then you know it might be the right one for you. And that's exactly the case with this beauty. So to reveal, I can't believe I got it new from the boutique at the price from like a year ago when it came out, and those seasonal pieces are not part of the annual price increases. How amazing is that? Okay guys, I have never seen a more beautiful color and leather for this specific bag. I think that, okay, let me put this down. Whoops! I think that doesn't work with one hand only. Yeah, like I said, I've never seen a more beautiful combination for this specific bag. So even though I've seen so many other models coming out after this, I never had the feeling like, ooh, there we can see it already. I never had the feeling like, you know, there was anything nicer. I always knew this was the one. So I can't be happier that I still got it. There we can see it already. I wish they would have put it in the dust bag. Let me get this out. Let me get this out for you guys. So here we can see it comes with the Chanel dust bag, and I guess, yeah, the care booklet is in there too, so. Hello, my new baby. I always wanted you and you alone. I never wanted another Coco Handle in another color or size or material. And I will tell you why. I will tell you why. I think this is the best choice. Oh God, let me come closer. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Wow. And the best thing is, it was probably not a display bag even, because the sticker, can we see that? The sticker is still on. Here. Okay, let's take the sticker off together. It's always like taking the sticker off a new phone, taking the sticker off of hardware. Oh, what's better than that? Okay. I know I'm weird. Okay guys, so here we are. This is the Chanel Coco Handle in the size small. Initially, this was described as the mini size. However, now they brought out an extra mini size, which is now called the mini, the Coco Handle Mini, and this is now called the Coco Handle Small. And then you have the medium and you have the large. The sizing, you know, is always a little bit off with Chanel, but yes, this is the Coco Handle Small now. Originally the mini. Okay guys, so let's look at this beauty. Let me tell you first of all why I wanted this bag. Can we look at the leather? You guys know I'm a big fan of this aged calfskin. The wrinkled aged calfskin leather I think is absolutely gorgeous. I hope the light is good enough to show you how this bag looks like, because my ring light. Let me see if I can, whoops, make it a bit brighter. Yeah, maybe like this. So this bag usually comes in caviar leather, right? They make a lot of Coco handles in caviar leather. However, it is not the caviar leather they make the classic flaps in. It's this caviar leather with the teeny tiny like caviar grain. I'm not the biggest fan of that caviar leather. I feel like most of the time it feels a little bit plasticky and it feels a little bit not as luxurious as it should be. If you look at, for example, a jumbo, classic flap jumbo bag and it's in caviar leather, it has this bigger grain and it feels nicer, it looks nicer. You know, I'm not a fan of the caviar leather they make the Coco handles in, basically. So, and we guys know I'm a sucker for metallic bags anyway, right? So, yeah, this is the beauty. And once I saw that like a year ago, I was actually trying it on in one of my vlogs and I was just blown away. I was thinking, oh, this is the one or none, basically. I thought I'm either gonna get this one at some point when I can, or I'm not gonna add a Coco handle to my collection, because I've never come across a nicer one in the entire past year. Also, I've never come across a nicer one on the pre-loved market, so I can honestly say, for me, this was the best decision I could have made. Okay, so they even have stickers. Whoops, can we see that? They even still have stickers on here. So I will take that off later. Yeah, the Coco handle, what can I tell you? This is the front, this is the back. It has a little Mona Lisa smile pocket. It does come with feet. We always really appreciate feet, right? I mean, it just protects the bag, and yeah, I mean, it looks so beautiful. This is the side. This is actually a bag that comes with compartments, so it's not just one hole. Look at this beautiful leather. So, oh yeah, it is stuffed. Let's see. What do we have in here? Some more tissue paper, and there we go. Can we see that? I hope we can. So we have one big compartment. We have a little smaller compartment here at the back, and you have a zipper compartment as well. I hope that's visible, because it looks pretty dark on this tiny small screen. However, yeah, this bag is from the 30th series. Nowadays they have the microchip plates, of course, attached to the bag. If you buy a bag like this from, you know, a previous series, nowadays you have to register the serial number specifically with their system to get the new 5-year guarantee that Chanel offers, because previously it was like 2 years only, I think. And now they luckily offer 5 years, a 5 years guarantee for their bags, but you cannot forget to not register it. So you have to manually, after you bought the bag, manually put the number into their system with your name and address and everything, and then it's like registered for the 5-year guarantee. Yes, so what else can I show you? Of course, I show you modeling shots. Of course, the strap is detachable. So beautiful. Okay, let's do some modeling shots. Okay guys, so here is the bag, and you can wear it as a top handle bag. I will probably most of the time just wear it as a top handle bag because I love top handle bags. You can wear it on the crook of your arm, just like a little Kelly version, you know, a Chanel Kelly version basically. You can decide to either detach the strap, or I like to basically carry it like this. Even when I carry it as a top handle bag, I like to take the strap with me simply because if I need to, I can just, you know, swing it over my shoulder and that's it. But you can detach the strap, or you can wear it on your shoulder, and this one sits so high. It is really, really nice. You know, it's not like the mini. If you wear it over your shoulder, it hangs down there somewhere. This one sits at such a nice height. That's all I can say. I don't think you can wear this crossbody. It would look a little bit weird. I mean, some people who are maybe not as tall as I am, they might be able to pull this off. I would probably not do that in real life. But yeah guys, so yeah, that's it. That's my new baby, and I could not be happier. What do we think? Let me know if you have a Coco handle in your collection and what color and choice you picked. Oh yeah, and some of you guys asked me what glasses I chose. And I completely forgot to show you guys. So I thought I'm just gonna cut that into this video. But yeah, this is the beautiful pair of Alexander McQueen glasses that I chose. I don't know, I could not be happier. I think both with the glasses that I picked up with my, with my beautiful new baby. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease and it's a real thing. Yeah guys, okay, I see you again very, very soon. Bye!